difficult. Oh, you want to try it now? Okay, so, like, I'll hold this. You get back. You have to get back here. This is the rudder, okay?
ラダーはどうやって調整すればいいの？
Well, you're gonna find out. I guess.
Okay.
I guess you're gonna
どっち
find
か行って
out.
よ、マーク。
Alright, huh?
どっちか行ってよ。
Just keep going that way. Alright, that's right. That's right. You got the rudder?
いやいやいや。
Alright, alright. Now,
Okay.
you got it?
いや、I got it.
You got it.
Yeah, I got
You
it.
sure?
あ、反対側行っちゃったけ
Let
ど。
go this. Let go this. Let go. Let go.
あ、何をよ。
Now, what are you doing?
でもマークが変わってこない。あ、マークはここにいるのね。分かった。OK。You don't move ね。OK。あいたた手挟まないでよ。
Okay, I'll just stay here. No. There you go. You gotta watch that's don't do the top, do the bottom.
だって手が挟んじゃうんだ。マークの手があるってできないです
I'm
よ。
just trying to. You got it? Going into the wind. You're going into the wind. That's okay. Just remember. All right, there you go. All right, there you
マ
go.
ークが手でやってるか分
I'm
かん
not
ないや。
doing anything.
うん、そう。マーク何もやってないの。
Yeah. Now you're going that. You're going. Whoa. All right, where are you going?
いいよいいよ。
You're turning about. You're turning about. You don't want to turn about. You want see the rudder? There you go. All right, you got it. All right, good. All right, now you're turning in to the wind. Okay, so it's going to go faster. All right, you okay?
OK。
You okay?
OK。
Well, you're really going into the wind. You don't want to do that. You go all the way down to egg. That's right. See? You can try it for a little while. Just adjust it. Go back and forth and see how it
そうだけ
feels.
どマークが触ってるからどうやってるのか私は自分でもよく分かんない。
Okay, like that. All right. All right.
マーク邪魔だよ。向こう
I can't
反対
help
側
it.
行っちゃったじゃない。
I'm a passenger. All right, there you
反
go.
対側行っちゃったじゃないだって。
First, go this way. No, it's the wrong way. That's right. All right, go back. That's it. All right, there you go. There you go. There you go. Good.
Good.
With my weight, there's no way you're going to tip over in this way.
風なくなっちゃったんだけど。
Well, that's because of the way you've adjusted it, right? If you want to get into the wind, nope, you're going out. No, you're going to turn about the other way, opposite way. Turn the opposite way. No, that's the wrong way. That's the wrong way. Ah, God, you got me.
これ持って紐。
Yeah. All right, we're going out.
逆に行っちゃったよ。
You're the captain. What are you doing? You're going about again?
No.
No, you gotta move it that way. That's right. There you go. All right. Okay. There you go. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Now you
Yeah, I understand.
You're going now into the wind.
Huh?
You want to go in one.
Oh, return. Cool.
You're returning.
Yeah. I
Alright,
try
well,
to
then we're gonna come
return.
about, okay? That's called coming about. You're gonna come about?
Yeah.
All right, that's coming about.
Okay.
Oh! Get a hold of the rudder, for God's sake! Let go of this.
Okay. これます。これます。
All right, you're keeping. No, this way. There you go.
戻れない。
All right, that's it. There you go. Keep it on that. What? Are you holding the second one, not this one, the other one?
セカンドは、あ、違うわ。
You're fine.
のセカンドは。
Okay.
これでいいんだ。
That was close. There, that's good.
Good.
Keep it like that.
Yeah.
Don't now the rudder. You
Yeah.
gotta pay attention to
Yeah.
your rudder,
いや。
right?
いまいちどっちにやるのかよくわかんないってやつ。
Well, you'll know you're losing the wind if it starts to flutter,
いや。
right? And you'll know when it speeds up, you're in the wind, right? So you have to decide where you want to go and how fast. Okay? Like if you pulled this in a little bit now, it'll go faster. See?
そう逆かと思った。
how fast we're going now? All right, there you go. You're going fast. See? Cool. All right, you're turning a bit, just so you know.
いやいや、わざと。
Yeah, you're doing well.
なんか進まなくなっちゃったんですか、先生。
Well, you can go faster if you want.
もうちょっと引っ張ってんだ。
You're doing well. I'd take your picture, but I'm afraid of losing your camera.
It's okay. でちょっと、あ、これでも引っ張るだけで。まあいいや。あ、ハエが来た、ハエが。
There are not many high.
これ進んでないと思うんだけど、マーク。ちょっとマークそのもうちょっと引っ張りたいんだけど。
Then try the move the rudder so you go more. You're going.
もうちょっ
Move
と、
it so it's that way.
もうちょっと、もうちょ
Well,
っ
you got it up as close as you can get, pretty much. It's an issue of the wind, okay? So move your rudder so you catch the more wind. That's right. There you go. Yep, that's good. See how you're going faster now? More that you move it this way.
だって戻ろうとしてた私は。
You're going pretty fast.
え？
You're going fast now.
うん、もう少し遅くなったよ。
Yeah.
でも戻ろうとしてんだったんです。
What do you mean, Madoru?
We are going to return to the camp.
Okay, you're the captain.
うん、進んだ進んだ。また進まなくなってきちゃった。
Now you're going to slow down the way you're going.
いやいや。あっちだからあっちに行こうとすると右に行こうとするとスローダウンしちゃうんだよ。
Well, that's because there's less wind.
いや、どうしたらいいの？
It's up to you.
だから早く家に戻る。
Well, then you want to go fast, and then what you'll do is you'll sail downwind. Okay, so you just go over there some more, and then turn it so it's.
浅瀬に行っちゃうよマーク。浅瀬に行っちゃう。浅瀬に浅いところに行っちゃう。どうしたらいい？うん。もうちょっと。これでいいかな。いやいや。だけどあそこ浅くない？
No, we're fine. I think at some point, however, you should let me go into the bay.
何を？
I need to go be the
ああ、そうね。変わりましょう。じゃあちょっと待って。
No, right now we're doing fine. We'll just turn about and then we'll turn about one more time and then I'll take it.
Okay.
You're doing fine. Just enjoy.
うん、ちょっと分かってきたよ。
No, you're doing fine.
ちょっと分かってきた。
Yeah, keep it up. No, wrong way. Yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, this is what you should do. Yeah, this is good. It'll slow down when we hit the bay.
どうやってスローダウンするの？
Yeah, because there's no wind.
ああ、いやいや、そうそうそう。
No wind. Yeah. There you go. Good. Good. All right, shall I take it in?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, you just scoot up over there. It's fine. All right.
Oh. マーク何するだよ。Oh my god. 何するだよ。はい。戻っちゃったじゃないか。気持ちいいけど帰ろうよ。帰ろう。
Yeah, this wind is great though. Let's do it.
何言ってんのよ。自分の失敗言い訳しないでよ。
Yeah. Wind just picked up all of a sudden.
Wow! Wow! いやいや、それはわかるけど、戻ろうってば。